This is chapter 4, lesson 4, part B. Yesterday we did adding. So we had fractions, and these fractions had binomials in them, trinomials in them, and the denominators were not the same. So our adding yesterday needed us to find the common denominator, and then I had to change around the numerator, and finally then I could add, right? Today we're doing subtracting. So this video is only going to have the subtracting of rational expressions in it. The following video, so I'll label it 4.4c, is where I'm going to do this distance equals rate times time problem and the compound fraction problems. So that'll be the next video, not this video. So if you're looking for those problems, please search 4.4c. All right, back to the front. This is just 4.4b. All right, our fractions up here do not have a common denominator, and they're a trinomial. So first, I really need to make them factored. So two numbers that multiply to make 16 and add up to 6. X minus 8 and plus 2. So the second fraction, I need two numbers that multiply to make 8 and add up to 6. Yeah, x plus 4, x plus 2. All right, so my LCM. All of the denominators need to be included, all of the parentheses. Okay, this for sure has both of these, so that is definitely going to be a part of the LCM. I'm going to run out of space. Now, the second fraction, it already has the x plus 2, but I still have not accounted for the x plus 4. So that is going to be my third parentheses in my least common multiple, my common denominator. All right, I'm going to make two new fractions with a subtraction sign in between. My LCM is going to be all three, x minus 8, x plus 2, x plus 4. Okay. Now, what is not in x minus 8, x plus 2 that is in my common denominator? Okay, the x plus 4. So that means that I'm going to need to multiply the numerator by x plus 4. Second fraction had only an x plus 4 and an x plus 2. What do I need to multiply to get all three? The x minus 8. Yep. Okay. So I want to FOIL both of them before I start subtracting. So I'm going to just focus on the numerators. I don't need to write the denominator every single time until the end. I really only need the denominator once I finally get my simplified numerator. So I'm going to focus on the numerator right now. FOIL the first one. X squared plus 5x plus 4 minus x squared minus 7x minus 8. Okay. I need to put the second parentheses in, I need to put the second trinomial in parentheses because I need to distribute the subtraction sign. Right. This negative means subtract x squared, subtract negative 7, subtract negative 8. So I'm going to distribute that negative sign. And now I can adequately write it. X squared plus 5x plus 4 minus x squared. So I'm changing the signs. Subtract a negative 7 plus 7x. Subtract a negative 8 plus 8. Please combine like terms now. X squared minus x squared. 5x and 7x. 4 and 8. So you can label it like that if you need to. X squared minus x squared cancels. 5x plus 7x, 12x. 4 plus 8, 12. Okay? All right. That is my numerator. Can I factor that or simplify that? Is it done? It's done? Can I do anything with 12x plus 12? Take out the 12. Now that I'm fully simplified on top, I can finally rewrite my denominator, which was the x minus 8, x plus 2. Final answer is that. Okay. All right. Example 2. All right. This common denominator is a little weird. 3 and, so let's look at the numbers first. 3 and 6. What's the common denominator of 3 and 6? Like, don't go small. You can never go under. 3 would be too small. 6. Now I have an x to the first, and x to the squared. I can't go smaller. I need to take the biggest of them all because I can't, start with an x squared and all of a sudden make it a new denominator of x. I can't take anything away. So you don't want to go underneath or below. So the x and the x and the x squared, what's the common denominator? Huh? X squared. Okay, good. Yes, that is true. 6x squared is what I'm going to write as my denominator for all three. And then they all had ones. Okay, so this is like, what do I do to 3x to get 6x squared? I have a 3x and I need to make it a 6x squared. What am I going to multiply this fraction by to change it? A 2. And yeah, somebody said the x too, 2x. Okay. The middle fraction had a denominator of 6x. I need to make it a 6x squared. What do I multiply top and bottom by? Just x. Okay. The third fraction had just an x squared. I need to make it a 6x squared. What do I multiply x squared by to make it a 6x squared? 6. Okay. I have 2x. I'm just going to focus on the numerators right now. I'll bring in the denominator at the end. Plus x minus 6. 3x minus 6. Can I do any simplifying or factoring of that? 3x minus 6. What can I take out? 3. I will have this in my drawer. In the drawer. Walk up and put it in the drawer. Don't worry, your name was not said. Okay. The 3 and the 6. Okay. X minus 2 and then 2x squared. I simplify the 3 over 6. A lot of people, because the 3 was pulled out, that's the only reason I could simplify the 3 and the 6. Now that I have this fraction, there's a student that might want to take out a 2 because they see that there's a 2. All right. We cannot simplify this any further because the x and the 2 creates a binomial. They are attached with the subtraction sign. They can't be broken apart. The 2x squared could be simplified, but again, the top numerator isn't, I can't break it apart. So, you're done with this. Last one. X squared minus 25. What does that simplify to? You've already helped new people. Yeah. Yep, x plus 5, x minus 5. This is a difference of squares. Now, my LCM, my common denominator, for sure is going to have the x plus 5 and the x minus 5 in it because both of them are a part of this denominator. Is there anything new in the second? Like if there was something different or new, but this x plus 5, yeah, I've already got that there. So I don't need to add anything. I'm going to make 2 new fractions with my x plus 5, x minus 5. This fraction originally had both. My new denominator adds both. I don't need to change at all the 3x minus 5. Okay, x plus 5. What do I need to multiply this fraction by to get the denominator? If I want x plus 5 to become x plus 5, x minus 5, what's missing? What do I need to multiply by? X minus 5 on bottom and top. Okay. Focus just on the numerator for now. Minus, hold on, 2x minus 10. The subtraction sign needs to be distributed to both. So watch that. That would be the mistake that people make. They forget to distribute the subtraction sign. 3, okay, hold on. 3x minus 5 minus 2x. Subtract negative 10. Be careful. Subtract negative 10. Does it become a plus? Yeah. Now combine like terms. Whew, finally my numerator is simplified. Now let's put the denominator there, please. And you're going to cross out what's in common. Yeah.
the crossing out was the last thing that you do.
Yeah. What's on the numerator? Because I just canceled out the whole x plus 5. What? Yay, you. And the answer is 1 divided by x minus 5. All right, your homework questions are the attached worksheets. Turn the page. Numbers. Circle these, please. 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 12. Oh, turn the page. 12 and 12 again, you guys. Both 12s. Please do both 12s. All right, I'm going to stop the video.